Welcome to our in-depth review of the Atrium Prestige Thalasso Spa Resort and Villas, a luxurious 5-star getaway nestled in the picturesque region of Laconia on the southeastern coast of Rhodes. This eco-certified resort is a true gem, combining the healing powers of thalassotherapy with stunning Cycladic-inspired architecture. Let's dive into what makes this resort a standout destination for discerning travelers. First up, let's talk about the accommodations. The Atrium Prestige offers a diverse range of rooms and suites that cater to every type of traveler. From cozy deluxe rooms to spacious suites and bungalows, there's something for everyone. The deluxe rooms are a sight to behold, featuring hand-painted ceilings that add a touch of artistic flair to your stay. These rooms come equipped with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a high-end resort, including free Wi-Fi, electric kettles, and satellite TV. But the real showstopper? The breathtaking sea or resort views that greet you every morning. If you're looking to splurge a little, the suites are where it's at. These bad boys come with separate living areas, upgraded furnishings, and private terraces that offer panoramic sea views. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while gazing out at the endless blue horizon. Now that's what we call vacation goals. And let's not forget about the bungalows. These little slices of paradise come in 4 flavors: private pool, family, honeymoon, and VIP access. Some even come with their own private pools, because why share when you can have your own personal oasis? But wait, there's more. For those who want to take luxury to the next level, the resort offers a platinum collection featuring premium suites and executive villas. While the exact sizes of these accommodations aren't specified, a bit of mystery never hurt anyone, right? They're described as spacious across all categories. So whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with the whole family in tow, you're sure to find the perfect home away from home at the Atrium Prestige. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: food. The Atrium Prestige doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. The main restaurant is an international buffet affair with live cooking stations. Picture this: chefs whipping up delicious dishes right before your eyes. The tantalizing aroma of freshly cooked food wafting through the air. It's like dinner and a show all rolled into one. But if you're in the mood for something a little more exotic, the resort's ethnic specialty restaurants have got you covered. These eateries serve up a mouth-watering fusion of Mediterranean and Asian cuisines. Imagine savoring perfectly grilled Greek souvlaki one night and indulging in spicy Thai curry the next. It's a culinary journey around the world without ever leaving the resort. For those lazy pool days, because let's face it, that's what vacations are for, the poolside grill is your go-to spot. Serving up casual seafood and grilled dishes, it's the perfect place to grab a quick bite between dips in the pool. And speaking of pools, the resort boasts not 1, not 2, but 4 outdoor pools, including an infinity edge main pool that seems to melt into the sea beyond. There's even an adults-only quiet pool section for those seeking a more tranquil swimming experience. But the aquatic fun doesn't stop there. The resort's crown jewel is its temperature-controlled thalassotherapy pool. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what thalassotherapy is, let me enlighten you. It's a fancy term for using seawater and sea-based products for therapeutic purposes. Trust me, after a dip in this pool, you'll feel like a new person. When it comes to quenching your thirst, the Atrium Prestige has you covered with a variety of bars. There's a swim-up pool bar, because swimming to your cocktail is way cooler than walking, a sunset cocktail lounge, perfect for romantic evenings, and a lobby champagne bar for when you're feeling extra fancy. And the best part? The resort offers all-inclusive dining options so you can eat and drink to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. Now, let's talk about the star of the show: the spa. The Atrium Prestige takes its spa game seriously, offering signature thalassotherapy treatments that use seawater to rejuvenate your body and soul. The spa facilities include hammams and steam rooms, which are included with your treatments. Imagine spending an afternoon being pampered with luxurious treatments, then unwinding in a steamy hammam. It's like pressing the reset button on your stress levels. But the Atrium Prestige isn't just about relaxation. For those who like to stay active on vacation, there are plenty of activities to keep you busy. While specific details aren't provided, luxury resorts of this caliber typically offer facilities like fitness centers, tennis courts, and water sports. So whether you're a gym rat, a tennis ace, or a water baby, you're likely to find something to keep you entertained. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the little ones in the room. While the resort doesn't specifically mention kids' clubs or activities, the presence of family bungalows suggests that children are welcome. However, if you're traveling with little ones, it might be worth checking with the resort about specific family-friendly amenities and activities. One of the great things about the Atrium Prestige is its location. Situated in Lasciania, it's just 17 kilometers from Prasonisi, a popular windsurfing and kitesurfing spot. So, if you're into water sports, or just enjoy watching the pros do their thing, you're in for a treat. The resort's location on the southeastern coast of Rhodes also means you're well positioned to explore some of the island's most beautiful beaches and historical sites. Speaking of exploring, while the resort itself is a slice of paradise, there's plenty to see and do in the surrounding area. Rhodes is an island steeped in history and natural beauty. From the medieval old town of Rhodes, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to the stunning Lindos Acropolis, there's no shortage of cultural attractions to visit. Nature lovers will appreciate the Valley of the Butterflies, a unique habitat that's home to thousands of butterflies during the summer months. And let's not forget about the beautiful beaches that Rhodes is famous for. Whether you prefer bustling beach bars or secluded coves, you'll find your perfect spot of sand on this diverse island. Now, let's talk about what makes the Atrium Prestige stand out from the crowd. First off, its eco-certified status shows a commitment to sustainability that's becoming increasingly important to travelers. The resort's Cycladic-inspired architecture is another unique feature, blending traditional Greek island aesthetics with modern luxury. And with over 60 private pools scattered throughout the property, it offers a level of privacy and exclusivity that's hard to beat. The resort's recent accolades speak volumes about its quality. Being recognized in TripAdvisor's top 1% is no small feat, and suggests that guests consistently have exceptional experiences here. The combination of luxury amenities, stunning views, and top-notch service seems to be a winning formula for the Atrium Prestige. While we don't have specific information about events and conference facilities, luxury resorts of this caliber often cater to business travelers and events. If you're considering the Atrium Prestige for a corporate retreat or a destination wedding, it's worth inquiring about their capabilities in this area. When it comes to guest experiences, the devil is in the details. While we don't have specific anecdotes, luxury resorts like the Atrium Prestige often excel in creating memorable moments for their guests. This could be anything from a surprise bottle of champagne for honeymooners to a personalized birthday cake for a celebrating guest. It's these thoughtful touches that often leave the most lasting impressions. Of course, no resort is perfect, and the Atrium Prestige is no exception. Some potential areas for improvement might include more detailed information about room sizes and specific amenities on their website. Additionally, while the all-inclusive dining options are a plus, some travelers might appreciate more a la carte options for a change of pace. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.